Like, I don't know what I'm doing. Do you contour with a bronzer? Hey lovelies, this is Lena from Lena's Lovely Locks. Thank you for joining, and if this is not your first time, welcome back. So today we're gonna be doing something a little bit more different than my hair content. Today we're gonna be unboxing a Too Faced product. And that Too Faced product is the Soleil Chocolate Bronzer. And you guys know, if you watch my other videos, you know I am not a makeup guru. The first time I put a full face of makeup on by myself or ever was a few months ago. Me being me, I went to Ulta, which is now one of my favorite stores, and I bought up $345 worth of makeup. Yeah. $345 worth of makeup. I didn't have a damn clue about what I was doing. The guy at Ulta, he got me. He saw me coming. He got me all this Benefit and all the Becca and all the I got Too Faced. So today we're gonna be unboxing a Too Faced product because Too Faced is now one of my favorite products. Okay guys, so here is my unboxing of my Too Faced Soleil Bronzer. So the box is pink, and this is their color, the company's color, like a nice little gift box. And here is the co-founder. I have a picture of the co-founder inside the box. And you have a 20% savings here. Okay, oh. So they give you guys samples of some of their products. I got to choose a couple of their products, and I chose the Erase Pores Instantly, and I also chose the Hangover. This is a popular product that they have. It's the Hangover RX infused with coconut water. So I'm excited to try that. By the way, here is the box, and this is the mini. I didn't buy the full product because, like I said, I'm just trying things out. I don't want to you know, waste money, because if I don't, you know, use it, then this, you know, I don't want to be out of money. So this is their gilded bronzer. Here's the back of the box. Okay, so here it is. It is like a chocolate, let me show you. It's a chocolate, like mirror type case. And it has their logo, the name of their company, Too Faced. And I'm gonna open it up for you guys. Open. It's acting like I don't know what to do. So here is, it has a little mirror here. So here is how the bronzer looks. It's like little glitter flecks. I think it's pretty. I'm anxious to see how it will look on my face. Again, I'm not familiar with contouring or bronzing my face, so this is going to be a trial and error. And you guys, if you watch my other videos, you know that I love to smell things. Like, I smell my food, I like to smell my hair, and I like to just smell, I guess, products. So I'm gonna smell this. I'm gonna do a sniff test. Oh, it smells like chocolate. Like, it seriously smells like chocolate.
It smells delicious.
After that initial chocolate smell, I get the makeup smell. You guys know, you know, that makeup, that powder smell, powdery makeup smell. So I get that, but my first whiff is the chocolate. Like, it literally smells like chocolate. Okay, so I am anxious to try this on, you guys, and I'm gonna go ahead and put a clip into, I'm gonna go ahead and put a clip in of me applying it on my face. Like, do you contour with bronzer? Or like, I've seen like a lot of videos, like they contour with like concealer, and sometimes they use like different foundations. But what is a bronzer really used for? Like, y'all comment down below, let me know what you use a bronzer for. It's about to be funny. Come along with me and see how I do what I do when I do, and what should I do.
And because Lena included Sisterlocks, micro-locks, or locks in general in her title, here is a 360 of Lena's lovely locks. Look at those locks. Don't they look lovely, folks? Thanks for joining us at Lena's Lovely Locks. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to her channel, lovelies.